Let's learn how you can add and edit your Viber dating profile photos. So let us open our Viber application. You will have to click on profile and then go to edit your profile, this middle one button. And now here you will see your pictures that you have added already. Now if you want to add more or delete new, just you can click on your profile photo and then you can select these two options. For example, edit photo. You can add stickers, lines, crop it, and add text. Now you can just click on done if you are finished. If you want to remove the photo, you can just click on remove photo option and click on yes on pop-up. Now to add new, you'll just have to click on this plus button and it will open your gallery where you will have to select new photos, and after you're done, just click on done button in top right corner. It will update your profile and save everything. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.